Hey guys, Rinder Singh here from DJ and Gas. So we've just done an emergency boiler installation in Hemel Hempstead. So we installed the Mate compact with an AD Micro 2 magnetic filter. We installed a shock arrestor, scale reducer, and we did a full flush. The system was very dirty. And this week has been a week of emergency installations and other emergencies. But if you need our help, do get in touch and do follow us and look out for our videos. We'll give some advice, some information. We are DJ and Gas, keeping London warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Speak to you soon, guys.